Hi, I'm Carly with Senior Planet from AARP. In this tech tip video, we'll show you how to use the translation app built right into your iPhone. This app is great when traveling abroad or wherever you run into a language barrier. It can translate written text as well as interpret live conversations. To get started, tap the Translate app to open it. If this is your first time using the app, tap Continue on the first screen. On the second screen, tap Not Now if you don't want your recordings shared with Apple. To translate written text, tap the camera icon. Select the language you want to translate from, and then the language you want to translate to. Tap the shutter button to see the translation. Note that the app may also automatically translate the text. Tap the X to exit this screen and translate another page, or to use another feature of the app. If you want to type text to translate, tap the Translate icon at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to select the language you want to translate from and the language you want to translate to. As you type, the app automatically translates the text into the language you selected. Tap the X next to what you typed to start over. If you want to speak what you want to have translated, tap the microphone icon. You'll know the app is ready because you'll see the message "Listening" on the screen. Tap the play icon to hear the translation. Tap the conversation icon at the bottom of the screen if you'd like your conversation with another person translated. Make sure the correct languages are selected. Then, tap the microphone icon to get started. You have options for how the translations are displayed in conversation mode. Face-to-face allows someone standing in front of you to easily speak and read the translation of what you're saying. Tap the X at the top of your screen to exit this section of the app. If you'd like to download a language for offline use, tap the More menu at the top of the screen. Tap Download Languages and select the languages you want downloaded to your phone. You know it's downloading when the icon changes to a square. This process actually takes you to the settings in your phone. Close the Settings app and return to the Translate app. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how to use your smartphone, Senior Planet offers free online technology training. Visit www.seniorplanet.org/smartphones to find upcoming live classes, or call our toll-free hotline for more information at 888-713-3495.